Hi, beautiful Bhonshu. Happy 18th. You're a soul with honesty and purity. So, here's presenting to you a message from all your dear and near ones to celebrate and enjoy the 18 years of your life and the lovely being you've turned to be. Not chunky. Neha and Paru adore you for all the awesomeness you've brought in their life as their little munchkin. So, here's a message from them.
Anviki,
Hi, Anjali.
wish you a very, very happy birthday, Manju. God bless you. Our little daughter turns 18 today.
School buddies do have a special place in one's life. So let's hear what your school buddies want to say about you. Your wish. And nuns and pre as you call them.
Happy 18th birthday, Vanshika. School would have been impossible to survive without you. We have been friends since nursery, and it's been about 14 to 15 years since we know each other. And these years have been fun and crazy with you. You are one of the most helpful and supporting persons I have ever come across. Thanks for always being there, and love you. Enjoy your day, have fun, and lastly, welcome to the real world. It sucks. You're gonna love it. Bye.
Vivan or Vanshika, sorry for ruining your name. Thank you for always being there for me whenever I needed you. You have been so caring, helpful, and supportive. Love you so, so much. I wish you health and happiness always. There's a bomb at your party. Your butt is the bomb. There'll be no survivors. Hope you get out safe.
Hi everyone, happy 18th birthday. Have a great day, have a blast. You are one of the most special, amazing, helpful, supportive, weird, crazy, fun loving person I have ever come across. English periods would have been so damn difficult without you, bro. तुम नहीं होती तो पता नहीं क्या होता. Anyways, I am sorry I won't be able to be there. But you have a great, great time. Love you.
बर्थडे वंशिका, होप यू हैव एन अमेजिंग डे. जल्दी जल्दी मिलने का प्लान बनाते हैं हम. एंजॉय, चिल. मैं ज्ञान क्यों दे रही हूँ भाई? बर्थडे वाले दिन को फिक्र थोड़ी करता है, राइट? चलो एकदम. लव यू.
Happy 18th birthday, Vanshika. Stay the same. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Vanshik. You are a great person and always ready to help person. You are so sweet. I so miss you and going out with you. And of course, your chena sandwich. Oh my god, that was my favorite. बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty. Have a great day. Party hard. Miss me also. No, actually call me also. Okay? Have a great day. Bye. Love you.
Vanshika, happy 18th birthday. Happy adulthood. COVID बहुत गंदा जा रहा है सबके birthdays, but still have a blast. Enjoy. Love you. Bye bye.
Banju, it's time to hear the song which we six enjoys together and sings together.
Una mattina mi soleggiato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi soleggiato, trepato invaso.
O partigiano, portami via. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. O partigiano, portami via. Che mi sento di morire.
Ese yo muy yo, da partigiano. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Ese yo muy yo, da partigiano. Divide seppellire lass un montagna. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 e seppellire lassù in montagna, sopra un'ambra di Uberfior.
Tutte leggenti se passeranno. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. I leggenti se passeranno, mi diranno se bel fior.
So now it's time for your Chotu cousins who love their Vanshu Didi loads and loads. SCG friends have made life easier definitely, and Rahil and Janvi are those to you.
Happy birthday, Vanshika. I am Janvi, the human form of the 100 emoji. You must know who I am from now, which character I am portraying. अपने केक को देख के खाना, there might be cement in it. If you know, you know. We've been friends for since the past 10 years, and obviously we have been through it all. हम लोग ने झगड़े भी बहुत किए हैं, मारपीट तक की है, सब कुछ किया है. And here is a special wish for you. वेदिका बोला हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
वंशिका दीदी.
वंशिका दीदी.
किस दो.
So this is how we celebrated the 18th birthday eve of our Chotu Motu Golu Vanshu. We were on a birthday heist. Since the past 6 months of Corona have been about Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and all the series you've watched in it.
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना। जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना, जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना। गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना, बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, झगड़े दुनिया झगड़ने भी दो।